Hey, it's another day with May where I create healthy alternatives to your favorite foods. If you like what you see here, please like on my video and subscribe to my channel. It would really help me a lot and help me grow. All right, today we are making healthy granola. All right, first thing we need to do is preheat our oven to 150 degrees Celsius. And then we need to put all of our ingredients into a large bowl. So, first up, let's throw in our rolled oats, followed by our hemp seeds and chia seeds. Those have omega-3 fats in them and they have a little bit of protein, so they're great to have for this granola. Then you need to add in your pumpkin seeds. Mine are salted, so that's why I'm not putting any salt into this granola. But if you do have just normal plain ones, add a little salt as well. Now it's time to add in our cinnamon. Mix that all up together. And then once it's mixed, add in your melted butter, then give it a little mix again. And then add in your honey. Make sure you put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds just to make it a little bit runnier so it's a lot easier to mix. Then mix that all up and then we'll put it on our tray. Okay, now that we have our granola mix, we're gonna place it onto our tray. So you wanna keep it nice and close together so when it bakes, it all sticks together and then you can break it off yourself and you can control how big your chunks are. But you're not ready. Now that that's done, our granola is ready to go into the oven. So I like to bake it for 20 minutes and just check on it, maybe give it a little bit of a mix and then put it back in for another 5 minutes. So I do this just so it cooks really evenly, but keep in mind that it won't be fully hard when it's in the oven. And you need to take it out and let it cool, and that's when it will really crisp up. So don't overcook it because it will burn. All right, let's go do that right now. All right, and it's done. So I have taken it out of the oven, let it cool down completely, and it really crisped up. And then I placed it into my jar, which has an airtight lid. So first, let's give it a try. Perfect. I don't know, but can you hear that crunch? It's so crunchy, a little bit sweet, and really has all of those nuts and seeds in it to really give it that full body, flavorful feeling. All right, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and until next time, see you later.